sad day. I'm very well going to be trading my 72 Massey Ferguson 34, I believe, backhoe for a much smaller machine over in Hermiston, Oregon. I'm in Walla Walla, Washington area. The other machine's a Coyote brand. I think it's like a side brand of Kubota. It's got the Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine in it, 4-wheel drive. I think it'll be a lot more nimble and maneuverable up at my cabin and everything. And the guy that I'm trading for, he just needs a bigger machine to move more dirt. And so I think it's going to be a decent trade. We'll see how it goes. Well, I guess one perk to working for an excavation company is the boss was nice enough to let me use this Pete to haul this. Because I tell you what, the alternative would have been my old clapped out trailer behind the old IDI Ford and all included. You're on the road now, coming off the mountain out of the Blue Mountains. Got the old Massey on the back. Just got back to town in Hermiston with the Coyote KL122. It's a bit smaller, but damn, everything seems to work pretty good. That old Massey had a lot of problems, and I ain't no mechanic.